what you want to. Please don't be polite.
So, what do you say?
What do I say about what?
About what I just said.
What did you say?
You know what I said?
Do you mean that stuff about being a hero? Because if you plan to put on tights and a mask and run around town, I'm gonna have to say no.
What? No! Summer, I am trying to have a serious conversation with you. Why you make it so hard? All I am trying to say is...
Ow! Ow, boy. Yeah, my ankle sure does hurt. Ow! Do you think you could find me some ice?
Yes, sure.
Aww.
Cali, if you don't stop pacing, you're gonna wear a hole in the rug.
I can't help it. They've been gone a long time. I've already called the police, the mountain patrol, the park rangers, and the fire department.
Well, honey, I think all we can do now is just sit and wait.
Hey, has anyone seen my water bottle? It was in the refrigerator.
Was it that red hydro frog?
Yeah, that's the one. Where is it?
Oh, I poured that out. It was filled with cranberry juice that looked like it had gone bad. It was all thick.
What?
Oh, trust me, I did you a favor. That would have made you sick.
It wasn't bad. It was fresh. I mean, it was good. What am I gonna do? I'm getting hungry.
Calm down. We have lots of fruit in the refrigerator.
I have very strict dietary requirements.
You are awfully grumpy. Is this what you get like when your blood sugar is low?
You have no idea.
While you two are over there arguing about cranberry juice, Sommer and Nigel are still lost in the snow.
Cali, you're right. I'm gonna go out and look for them. And I can use some fresh air.
What? So you can go and get lost too? What kind of sense does that make?
It stopped snowing, so I should be fine.
I'm coming too.
What? No.
Why not?
It might be dangerous.
And Sommer is my sister. I'm not about to sit around here and do nothing. So if you're coming, let's go.
Fine.
Don't you need a coat?
Nah, the cold doesn't really bother me.
I do not have a good feeling about this. Why? Because Damon is secretly a vampire and you just sent Cali off alone with him into the snow when he hasn't fed and is very hungry. Dun dun dun! Jazz, that is the craziest story I have ever heard. Damon is not a vampire. That's impossible. Vampires don't exist. Everything is impossible until it's possible. Dun dun dun! Jazz, will you cut that out? Sorry.
I had hoped there'd be footprints to follow, but it looks like the snow has covered them all up.
This seems almost impossible. Why don't you go back to the lodge and wait? Doesn't make any sense both of us having to be out here in the cold.
No, I'm not going anywhere until I find my sister.
I'm so hungry. I gotta sneak away and find something to eat, or things are gonna get really bad.
If I want to find Sommer, I have to think like Sommer. Sommer wouldn't just go somewhere random.
Okay, so where would she go?
She would go somewhere she knows. Somewhere she's been before.
But isn't this y'all's first time at this ski lodge?
Yup, which means the only place she knows is the parking lot. Let's head to the car.
Okay, let's head to the car.
Damon, are you okay?
What?
I said, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just feeling a little weak.
Rest for a minute by this tree.
Thanks.
Shh, did you hear that?
Don't worry, I'll go check it out.
No! You never say I'm gonna go check out the strange noise in the woods. Because that's when a Yeti jumps out from behind a bush and eats your face off.
A bit dramatic. Don't tell me you believe in Yetis.
It's just facts, man. You hear that? It's coming this way. We have to hide. Hurry, get behind the tree. Oh, look, it's a deer.
It's lunch.
Damon, come back.
I gotcha! Oh, man.
Damon, how dare you go after that poor deer?
Cali, you don't understand.
Understand what?
that I see footprints in the snow. See? Footprints.
Damon, you found them. Come on, let's go.
Here is your ice.
Thanks. It feels better already.
Good. Now you have no more excuses to keep stalling. Sommer, this is the last time I'm going to ask. What about us?
Okay, Nigel. Gosh. I can hear someone knocking at the door. You should go see who it is.
Okay.
Sommer!
Cali, what are you doing here? How'd you find us?
I just went where I thought you would go and we followed your footsteps.
We? Who's we?
Oh, Damon. Damon helped.
What's up? Hey, y'all ready to get out of here? I'm ready to get back to civilization.
Yep. Perfect timing. Can you help me up?
Oh yeah! Your girl got a 4.0 this semester.
Congratulations, Cali.
Despite all the distractions, my sister's drama, the ski lodge, getting lost in the snow.
Hey, I already apologized for that. When are you gonna let it go?
All I know is first semester, freshman year, done. And now I can listen to your problems.
I don't have any problems.
Oh yeah, when was the last time you talked to Nigel?
It was before finals, and Christmas has already passed, so it's been about a few weeks.
Sommer, you and Nigel have always been best friends.
I know, and I want it to stay that way. That's why I've been avoiding him.
Well, that makes no sense at all.
We should have never gone to the movies. Things got really complicated. And now I just wish everything can go back to how it was and be friends.
I think what you need is a girls' night out. It's New Year's Eve, so let's go to that party on campus.
Okay, but I am not getting dressed up or combing my hair. All right, I'm glad we came out. We can have a little fun and forget all about Nigel. Oh, Sommer, I wasn't expecting to see you. Oh, well, you know, it's a New Year's party and it's New Year's Eve. It's kind of what people do. But Nigel's here. Okay, we were bound to run into each other eventually. Yes, but he's here with Alexandria, my cousin.
Whoa, that was fast.
Happy New Year! To be continued on the next Sommer and Cali.
Inside the rest, I know